Now I've added a section of 3/4 inch by approximately 4 feet by 4 feet particle board over there. This is where the blast furnace division is going to go. And this here is the stoves for the Marissa furnace, which is based upon Duluth Steel, United States Steel Duluth Works, which has been gone since around 1975, I believe. And so I'm clearing out space here. This is the Kristen furnace here, and right over there is the Marissa furnace. So what I plan to do today is remove the conversion department right here, and the teaming department right there, and the blooming department right here, and the rolling department right here, and get those staged out of the way there. And then what I plan, of course, the ore bridge right here, that's a Bethlehem steel prototype. That's what it looked like. And this is the emphasis of what I'm going to be working on right now, and that is the coke ovens right here. And this is the coke pusher right here. This is the Larry car right here. This is the coal bunker, coal crusher. And this here is the coke chute. That's where the coke, flaming red hot, gets pushed out the end and into this quenching car here. This is the quenching locomotive right here. And then this all through here is the byproduct plant. And this thing over here with the cylinders on there, that is the coal blending silos. The prototype for that was Weirton Steel Brown Island Coke Works, which is demolished. And so basically what the byproducts plant does is it takes the waste gases, which are flammable. Anything that's yellow there is flammable gas. And it processes useful products such as methane and toluene and benzene and coal tar, and believe it or not, crude oil gets extracted out of this as a waste byproduct. This is actually the most fragile of everything that's on here because there's so many parts to it. And I just want to get it secured so that when I move this thing, it's permanently settled, and I won't have a disaster trying to set this thing up. So that's what I'll be doing today, and probably for the next couple of days I'm just going to take my time on this. But going back over here to the blast furnace division, it's going to go on an angle going from the corner of the boiler house, powerhouse here over to the corner diagonally, and that way I can get 4 furnaces in 2 banks. There'll be 8 furnaces altogether, and then I'm going to put the high line in between the 2 banks of furnaces on there. And what the high line does, it takes the raw materials from the stock house, which I will build, and it puts it over in front of the furnace that's going to be charged with coke, iron ore, and limestone. And all blast furnaces operations have a high line. So this here, I will probably cut this out right here. I haven't decided yet. So all that'll be left is just this part over here. But then again, I may not. This end over here will probably be gone because I want to put the Hannah and Mia furnaces, which are the representatives of U.S. Steel Terry furnaces, right next to it. So there'll be this furnace here, the Kristen furnace, the Marissa furnace, and the Hannah and the Mia furnace will be right over here. And then the Lydia, the Donis, the Ednea, and the Elena furnaces will be right next to that. So that's that's the plan that I have here, and I'm going to lay out a perimeter line right going through here, which hopefully will allow me some continuous running, at least temporarily, although in reality the layout will end up over in here as soon as I get rid of this furniture. And sorry about the fast pan, don't mean to make you dizzy. But that's the update that I have on Spring Lake Iron and Steel, and I will post another one of these as time progresses. Well, here are the other buildings that I told you about, and this is the coke works and byproduct plant, and you can see how intricate all the parts are. It would be a real pain in the hind end to try to get all these in order in a short period of time, which is why I bought a big caulking tube of construction adhesive, and I'm going to glue everything together because this is the way I really want it. Always make sure that you think twice and glue once, or else you're in trouble. And so anyway, I tried to have this layout displayed last year at the Muskegon Railroad Historical Society train show in September, but after about 2.5 hours of taking apart the blast furnace division and never even touching the coke works, I abandoned and just took a furnace and a couple of buildings down there. But once this is secured and has dried properly as far as the adhesive goes, it should be fairly steady. And of course nothing's indestructible, but I'm going to try to make it be that way.